तो हेलो गाइस, आज हम करने वाले प्रैंक ऑन रैंडम और उसका रिएक्शन देखेंगे। हम उसको बोलेंगे कि हम एक लड़की और उसका रिएक्शन देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एक बंदा आ चुका है और उसका देखेंगे क्या होगा आगे। वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहिए।
हेलो हेलो
बेटा रा 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 फील्ड में तो हम ही तेरे पा बेटा सोया हुआ शेर ना जगा गा गा ओ बंदर टपुसिया ना खा 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 मैंने अभी भी निशाना नहीं दागा मेरा कुछ भी ना करेगा तू बाका मुझे इल्म है अपनी जगह का।
भाई मारो मुझे, मारो मारो मुझे, मारो मारो। नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है, एक सेकंड यार, मजाक हो रहा है। नहीं ये
Why'd you go and tear me apart if you're gonna come back when you are lonely? It's messed up how you give me these scars, then you're gonna go ask if I'm okay.
Yeah, I can't go away, all these thoughts in my heart. A few moments later, when you're deep in my mind with that old love, and I just think of all the times that I showed up. You always let me pull you in, I think it's cause we tried to make it work as friends. That never works in the end, it always leads to someone getting hurt again. So, I keep coming back, I know it breaks your heart, and I don't want that. But when I close my eyes, no I don't see black, all I see is your face and I want it back.
Why'd you go and tear me apart if you're gonna come back when you are lonely? It's messed up how you give me these scars, then you're gonna go ask if I'm okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay.
Are you okay? Please stop asking if I'm okay. I'm not alright, no way, I'll just save that shit for another day. I ain't playing, girl, and the shit all around me some changing world. It's all up in flames to the pavement, girl. It got me so sick, I'm about to hurl. All that could change is me, so I try to do it so gracefully. But reminders all around hit blatantly, so I sit in my room, wait patiently. I don't need this drama, just hand me the luck, I'll do
2,000 years later.
Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay. Are you
और बस तुम्हें कैश करेंगे। पैसा ही पैसा होगा।
okay? Are you
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर बहुत बेकार होता है।
okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay.
2,000 years later.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
चलो वो तो चला गया, आप किधर जा रहे हो? पहले सब्सक्राइब तो कर दो।
खाते सबको सबक सिखाते पर हम भी बताते दुनिया है जंग